Hello and welcome to my Cool Tools presentation. My name is Sydney Watson and today I'm going to show you a great resource to use in the classroom called Educreations. It is free to download from your app store. Educreations is an interactive whiteboard software that allows you to record, annotate, animate, and share your creations with anyone. Teachers can use this resource to record and share lessons with students, or use this resource to have students collaborate and show what they know. Unfortunately, you can only create new lessons using your iPad. However, you can visit the website on your desktop to view previously recorded lessons. Once you create your account and open the app, you will be able to see any of the lessons you have created on your home page. On the left-hand side of your screen, there are various pages you can visit. The circle with a person inside is your home page where you find all of your lessons. The group of people is where you create or modify classes. The heart is where you can find your favorited lessons. The clock shows your most recent lessons, and the star shows any featured lessons that others on the app have created. To create a class in Educreations, click on the group of people shown on the left-hand bar. Follow the directions to tap the plus sign and create a new class. You will name your class accordingly and tap Save. Once you create your class, it will give you the option to create new lessons or share lessons pertaining to that particular class. You can see right now that I have no students enrolled in my class, but once they create their account, they will be able to join using the class code. Once you click on Create a New Lesson, your screen will turn into an interactive whiteboard. You can record your lessons by selecting the red circle with the white microphone. Your lessons will not publish unless you have a recording with them. You can change the background by going to the top left corner and clicking on the paper that looks folded. This will give you options to use a lined background, a graph background, or a coordinate grid background. We're going to stick with the plain whiteboard background. Say I'm recording a math lesson for my first grade students. I can choose to write the information as I talk, or I can have some resources embedded in the slides beforehand. Clicking on the plus sign will allow you to add useful resources such as pictures, graphs, maps, etc. I'm going to choose to have my problems in beforehand. So instead of writing, I want to insert a text box and type. I can do this by selecting the plus sign and the A. A text box will appear and I can type my equation. I also have the opportunity to lock the box in place so it cannot be moved. If I want to show my students different strategies, I can duplicate this page to a new slide to have my problem repeat. I can do this by selecting the duplicate button in the top right corner. On this slide, I might want to add a number line. I can draw it or have it in beforehand by selecting the plus sign and adding a photo of a number line. Now I'm able to annotate as I walk my students through a narration of how to solve this problem, 3 plus 5. I could tell my students to start by drawing 3 green circles and then 5 red circles. Students will be able to see that we have 8 circles all together. Now we can go to page 2 and work out our next problem. The bottom of the page will show you what page you are on. 2/2 means I'm on page 2 out of 2 total pages. Here I can show my students that we start at the number 3, jump 5 spots, and end on the number 8. Like Like all other sites and services, upgrading to Pro will unlock additional resources and cool features. However, the free Educreation software is still a really neat tool. There are endless possibilities for using this resource. I really hope you enjoyed this presentation of the Educreation software and take some time to explore yourself.